Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the Business Analyst Expert.
In this video, we're going to cover the most frequently asked questions at the Salesforce Admin Exam. So if you are looking to get your Salesforce Admin certification, I recommend that you practice these questions. And if you're looking to become a Salesforce Business Analyst, you can sign up for our full tutorial at sfbatraining.com. Also, we placed a link in the description below of a video guide on how to take your Salesforce Admin Exam. So, let's start. Number 1. What should a system administrator use to disable access to a custom application for a group of users? A. Profiles. B. Sharing rules. C. Web tabs. D. Page layouts. The answer is A. Profiles. Number 2. Universal Containers needs to track the manufacturer and model for specific car companies. How can the system administrator ensure that the manufacturer selected influences the values available for the model? A. Create the manufacturer field as a dependent pick list and the model as a controlling pick list. B. Create a lookup field from the manufacturer object to the model object. C. Create the manufacturer field as a controlling pick list and the model as a dependent pick list. D. Create a multi-select pick list field that includes both manufacturers and models. The answer is C. Create the manufacturer field as a controlling pick list and the model as a dependent pick list. Number 3. Sales representatives at Universal Containers need assistance from product managers when selling certain products. Product managers do not have access to opportunities but need to gain access when they are assisting with a specific deal. How can a system administrator accomplish this? A. Notify the product manager using opportunity update reminders. B. Enable opportunity teams and allow users to add the product manager. C. Use similar opportunities to show opportunities related to the product manager. D. Enable account teams and allow users to add the product manager. The answer is B. Enable opportunity teams and allow users to add the product manager. Number 4. What should a system administrator consider before importing a set of records into Salesforce? There are 2 correct answers. A. The import file should include a record owner for each record. B. Currency field values will default to the personal currency of the record owner. C. Data should be deduplicated in the import file prior to import. D. Validation rules are not triggered when importing data using the import wizard. The answers are A. The import file should include a record owner for each record, and C. Data should be deduplicated in the import file prior to import. Number 5. Which statement about custom summary formulas in reports is true? There are 2 correct answers. A. Reports can be grouped by a custom summary formula result. B. Custom summary formulas can reference a formula field within a report. C. Custom summary formulas can reference another custom summary formula. D. Custom summary formulas can be used in a report built from a custom report type. The answers are B. Custom summary formulas can reference a formula field within a report, and D. Custom summary formulas can be used in a report built from a custom report type. Number 6. All fields on the approval page layout are available to view on the approval history related list. A. True. B. False. The answer is B. False. Number 7. All of the following actions may take place on a workflow rule except A. Outbound API message. B. Update field. C. Create a task. D. Create an event. The answer is D. Create an event. Number 8. All of the following are default account record types with client management except A. Account tab default. B. Business account default. C. Person account default. D. Partner account default. The answer is D. Partner account default. Number 9. All of the following are true about default sales teams except A. Default sales teams are configured on a user record. B. Default sales teams may be added manually to an opportunity record. C. Default sales teams may be added automatically to an opportunity. D. Default sales teams may be added manually to an account record. The answer is A. Default sales teams are configured on a user record. Number 10. All of the following are true about opportunity pipeline and forecast reporting except A. Pipeline reports may include omitted opportunities from the forecast. B. Forecasts may be overwritten. C. Pipeline reports may be overwritten. D. Opportunity stages may be used to determine the forecast category of an opportunity. The answer is A. Pipeline reports may include omitted opportunities from the forecast. Number 11. All the following are types of App Exchange applications except A. Composite, B. Client, C. Provisional, D. Native. The answer is C. Provisional. Number 12. All of the following may be uploaded to the App Exchange directory except A. Custom tabs, B. Custom fields on custom objects, C. Custom fields on standard objects, D. Custom assignment rules. The answer is C. Custom fields on standard objects. Number 13. All the following may be used when updating a record using the App Exchange data loader except A. External ID, B. Parent external ID, C. Record ID, D. Record number. The answer is D. Record number. Number 14. All of the following objects may have a queue except A. Accounts, B. Cases, C. Leads, D. Custom objects. The answer is A. Accounts. Number 15. All the following records may be imported via the import wizards except A. Opportunities, B. Accounts, contacts, C. Custom objects, D. Solutions, E. Leads. The answer is A. Opportunities. Number 16. An approval process begins when a record is A. Created, B. Saved, C. Edited, D. Submitted for approval. The answer is D. Submitted for approval. Number 17. Assets are related to which of the following sets of objects? A. Opportunities, products, cases, accounts, and contacts. B. Products, cases, accounts, and contacts. C. Cases, contracts, accounts, and contacts. D. Opportunities, cases, and accounts. E. Opportunity line items, cases, accounts, and contacts. The answer is B. Products, cases, accounts, and contacts. Number 18. Assume the organization-wide default sharing is set to private for all objects and no sharing rules have been created. You have two users in the sales rep role. Can they view each other's data? A. Yes. B. No. The answer is B. No. Number 19. Based solely on the role hierarchy, a manager can do all of the following except A. View, edit, delete, and transfer his/her and his/her subordinate records. B. Extend sharing on both his/her and his/her subordinates' records. C. View all folders his/her subordinate has access to, i.e. reports, documents, and email templates. D. View records his subordinate does not own but can view. The answer is C. View all folders his/her subordinate has access to, i.e. reports, documents, and email templates. Number 20. The campaign ROI analysis report uses which of the following calculations to determine the ROI percentage for a campaign? A. Total amount of opportunities, expected revenue. B. Amount of won opportunities, budgeted cost. C. Expected revenue, budgeted cost. D. Amount of won opportunities minus actual cost over actual cost. The answer is D. Amount of won opportunities minus actual cost over actual cost. Number 21. Case assignment rules are based on elapsed time. A. True. B. False. The answer is A. True. Number 22. Case escalation rules triggered on the last modification will be reset each time a user does which of the following actions? A. Reads the case. B. Adds a related comment to the case. C. Adds an activity or sends an email from the case record. D. Edits the case. E. All of the above. The answer is D. Edits the case. Number 23. Custom formula fields are recalculated. A. Nightly. B. Every 20 minutes. C. Once per user session. D. Each time a user views a record. The answer is D. Each time a user views a record. 24. Custom formula fields do not support which of the following functional expression? A. adding multiple records together. B. If, then, else conditional statements. C. Clickable image buttons. D. Combine text strings together. The answer is C. Clickable image buttons. Number 25. Custom lead fields can be mapped to which sets of objects in Salesforce.com? A. Account, contact, opportunity, or campaigns. B. Account, contact, or opportunity. C. Account or contact only. D. Contact or opportunity only. The answer is B. Account, contact, or opportunity. Number 26. Custom links can be used for the following. A. Launching an external URL. B. Running an S control. C. Running a report. D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Number 27. A custom lookup field can be added to create a relationship between a standard object and which of the following objects? A. Users and custom objects. B. Leads, accounts, contacts, and custom objects. C. Users, custom objects, and campaigns. D. Custom objects, contract, and campaigns. The answer is A. Users and custom objects. Number 28. Custom web tab may consist of all the following except A. A URL. B. A URL that passes Salesforce.com data like an organization's name. C. An S control. D. An S control snippet. The answer is B. A URL that passes Salesforce.com data like an organization's name. 29. Data validation will be enforced when converting a lead. A. True. B. False. The answer is B. False. Number 30. Default values are available for standard text fields. A. True. B. False. The answer is B. False. Number 31. The difference between an opportunity record type and a sales process is A. The sales process controls the stage field. The record type controls all other pick list fields. B. The record type controls the stage field. The sales process controls all other pick list fields. C. The record type controls the pick list fields. D. The sales process controls all pick list fields. The answer is A. The sales process controls the stage field. The record type controls all other pick list fields. Number 32. Fields hidden using field level security are subject to data validation rules. A. True. B. False. The answer is B. False. 33. Folders are used to manage A. Either reports, price books, documents, or email templates. B. Either reports, dashboards, documents, or products. C. Either reports, dashboards, documents, or email templates. D. Either reports, dashboards, documents, or other folders. The answer is C. Either reports, dashboards, documents, or email templates. Number 34. The formula editor may be used all of the following places except A. S control. B. Formula field. C. Default values on standard fields. D. Workflow field updates. The answer is C. Default values on standard fields. Number 35. How is the expected revenue calculated in the opportunity? A. Amount multiplied by the total price of all opportunity line items. B. The sales price on any line items times the probability of the opportunity. C. Opportunity amount multiplied by the probability. D. Amount multiplied by the discount percentage. The answer is C. Opportunity amount multiplied by the probability. Number 36. How many other fields may a custom lead field be mapped to when converting a lead? A. 1 custom field. B. 2 custom fields. C. 3 custom fields. D. Custom lead fields cannot be mapped. The answer is C. 3 custom fields. Number 37. If a lead is converted without a value in the company field, what happens? A. A business account is created. B. A person account is created. C. You'll be prompted to decide whether to create a person or a business account. D. Nothing. The answer is B. A person account is created. Number 38. If a lead with a single marketing campaign is converted, the campaign information will map to the newly created contact and opportunity record automatically. A. True. B. False. The answer is A. True. Number 39. If a profile does not have access to an application, that profile will also not have access to the tabs and objects of that application. A. True. B. False. The answer is B. False. Number 40. If you are added to a sales team with read-write access, you then have the ability to extend sharing on the opportunity to other users. A. True. B. False. The answer is B. False. 41. If you have read-only access to an account, can you add a task or event to the account? A. True. B. False. The answer is B. False. Number 42. It is possible for a page layout to be associated with a record type. A. True. B. False. The answer is A. True. Number 43. It is possible to share a custom object record manually. A. True. B. False. The answer is A. True. Number 44. It's possible to relate a person account to a contact on a business account. A. True. B. False. The answer is B. False. Number 45. It's possible to view a forecast based on all of the following, except A. Territory, B. Product family, C. Date range, D. Sales team. The answer is D. Sales team. Number 46. A new list view can be created from within the console. A. True, B. False. The answer is B. False. Number 47. Once a field is hidden from a profile using field level security, a user associated to that profile can still see the field using the following: A. List views, B. Reports, C. Search, D. None of the above. The user cannot see the field at all. The answer is D. None of the above. The user cannot see the field at all. Number 48. A record type may determine the default value of a pick list field. A. True, B. False. The answer is A. True. Number 49. Related lists display the many side of a one-to-many relationship. A. True, B. False. The answer is A. True. Number 50. An S control may be all of the following except A. HTML, B. XML, C. URL, D. Snippet. The answer is B. XML. Number 51. An S control may be used in all of the following ways except A. Dashboard component, B. Custom button, C. Custom link, D. Import wizard. The answer is D. Import wizard. Number 52. Select the best component to use if you want to list the top 5 sales performers on a dashboard. A. Chart, B. Table, C. Metric, D. Gauge. The answer is B. Table. Number 53. A self-service portal user may close their cases using suggested solutions in the self-service portal. A. True, B. False. The answer is A. True. Number 54. Time-based workflow can be triggered every time a record is created or edited. A. True, B. False. The answer is B. False. Number 55. To make a field required, which of the following is used? Pick the best possible answer. A. Page layout, B. Field level security, C. Profile, D. Both page layout and field level security. The answer is A. Page layout. Number 56. Users can be deleted from Salesforce.com. A. True, B. False. The answer is B. False. Number 57. Validation rules are also enforced using the API and import wizards. A. True, B. False. The answer is A. True. Number 58. Validation rules may evaluate an opportunity line item against the opportunity it's associated with. A. True, B. False. The answer is A. True. Number 59. What are the opportunity defaults when converting a lead to an opportunity? A. Stage defaults to first option in the pick list, close date defaults to the last day in the quarter, and the amount defaults to blank. B. Stage defaults to first option in the pick list, close date defaults to 3 months from conversion date, and amount defaults to blank. C. User defines amount, close date, and stage upon conversion. D. None of the above. The answer is A. Stage defaults to first option in the pick list, close date defaults to the last day in the quarter, and the amount defaults to blank. Number 60. What does the dashboard snapshot on the home page display? A. Only the dashboard determined by the system administrator. B. the first two rows of any of your available dashboards. C, the first row of any available dashboards. D, you cannot display a dashboard on the home page. The answer is C, the first row of any available dashboards. Number 61. What is the difference between the marketing user profile and the marketing user checkbox at the user level? A, they are the same thing. B, marketing user profile allows users to create and edit campaigns. Marketing user checkbox allows user to import leads. C, marketing user profile allows users to import leads. Marketing user checkbox allows users to create and edit campaigns. D, none of the above. The answer is B, marketing user profile allows users to create and edit campaigns. Marketing user checkbox allows users to import leads. Number 62. What type of information cannot be shown with an S-control dashboard component? A, combination of two other dashboard components. B, external feed of data. C, data warehouse information. D, flash representations of data. The answer is B, external feed of data. Number 63. What type of report cannot be used to run a dashboard report? A, tabular. B, matrix. C, summary. D, none of the above. The answer is A, tabular. Number 64. When a manager overrides a subordinate's forecast, the subordinate can see the manager's override. A, true. B, false. The answer is A, true. Number 65. When configuring customizable forecasting, you can set which of the following forecast dates for determining which opportunities contribute to the forecast. A, opportunity close date only. B, product date only. C, schedule date only. D, commit date. E, opportunity close date, product date, schedule date. The answer is A, opportunity close date only. Number 66. When test driving an application on the App Exchange directory, it is not possible to view the S-control configurations of that application. A, true. B, false. The answer is B, false. Number 67. When you add a custom object tab, all of the following will be accessible with the object except A, recent items. B, sidebar search. C, added to new link, create new object dropdown. D, custom object reports. The answer is D, custom object reports. Number 68. When you delete a lead from a campaign, it deletes the lead record itself. A, true. B, false. The answer is B, false. Number 69. When you delete a parent record, it will also delete the child record if that child record has a lookup relationship to the deleted record. A, true. B, false. The answer is B, false. 70. When you have exceeded your general storage limit, you can use your complementary document storage for additional space. A, true. B, false. The answer is A, true. Number 71. Which action must be taken to view contacts associated with a case in the console? A, the related list of the case page layout must be modified. B, the custom links of the case page layout must be modified. C, the related object of the case page layout must be modified. D, the mini page layout of the case page layout must be modified. The answer is D, the mini page layout of the case page layout must be modified. Number 72. Which custom object relationship has no effect on deletion or security of the related object? A, master detail relationship. B, lookup relationship. C, open relationship. D, none of the above. The answer is B, lookup relationship. Number 73. Which objects can be customized for history tracking? A, solutions, cases, leads, and opportunities. B, cases, leads, solutions, contracts, and custom objects. C, campaigns, contracts, custom objects, and solutions. D, opportunities, leads, and contracts. The answer is B, cases, leads, solutions, contracts, and custom objects. Number 74. Which of the following best describes the opportunity stage history related list? A, by default the list shows all changes made on the opportunity record. B, the list tracks stage, amount, expected amount, probability, and close date changes. C, the list can be customized to show changes to specific fields on the opportunity. D, none of the above. The answer is B, the list tracks stage, amount, expected amount, probability, and close date changes. Number 75. Which of the following can be used to customize your homepage? A, company logo, image. B. Dashboard snapshot. C. Custom links. D. Custom formula field. The answer is D. Custom formula field. Number 76. Which of the following does a profile control? A. Username and password. B. Role level access. C. Read, create, edit, and delete permissions. D. Sharing rules. The answer is C. Read, create, edit, and delete permissions. Number 77. Which of the following features is not available in Professional Edition? A. Big Deal Alert. B. Workflow. C. Account sharing rules. D. Multi-currency. The answer is B. Workflow. Number 78. Which of the following fields cannot be a controlling field for a dependent pick list? A. Standard pick list. B. Custom pick list. C. Custom multi-select pick list. D. Standard checkbox. E. Custom checkbox. The answer is C. Custom multi-select pick list. Number 79. Which of the following object relationships is not allowed? A. Standard object as the master and a custom object as the detail. B. Custom object as the master and a standard object as the detail. C. Custom object as a lookup to a standard object. D. Custom object as a lookup to a custom object. The answer is B. Custom object as the master and a standard object as the detail. Number 80. Which of the following permissions enables the system administrator profile to edit any record, regardless of the sharing model? A. Customize application. B. Modify all data. C. View setup and configuration. D. None of the above. The answer is B. Modify all data. Number 81. Which of the following relationships are correct? A. Lead, contacts, and opportunities can be associated to only one campaign. B. Leads and contacts can be associated to several campaigns, but an opportunity can have only one campaign. C. Leads and opportunities can be associated to several campaigns, but contacts can only have one campaign. D. Leads, contacts, and opportunities can be associated to several campaigns. The answer is B. Leads and contacts can be associated to several campaigns, but an opportunity can have only one campaign. Number 82. Which one does not apply to custom formula fields? A. Custom formula fields can reference other formula fields. B. Custom formula fields can reference standard fields. C. Custom formula fields can reference custom fields. D. Custom formula fields can calculate across objects. The answer is A. Custom formula fields can reference other formula fields. Number 83. Which type of field cannot have universal requiredness? A. Lookup. B. Text. C. Email. D. Number. The answer is A. Lookup. Number 84. Who can select the sharing button on account and opportunity records? A. The record owner, system administrator, and a user shared to the record. B. The record owner, a user shared to the record, and any user above the record owner in the role hierarchy. C. The record owner, a user above the record owner, and the system administrator. D. The record owner and system administrator. The answer is C. The record owner, a user above the record owner, and the system administrator. Number 85. With client management enabled, when a lead is converted without a value in the company field, it becomes a person account. A. True. B. False. The answer is A. True. Number 86. A workflow rule can only be triggered when a record is created. A. True. B. False. The answer is A. True. Number 87. You are working with a professional edition organization. They wish to install the expense tracker, which requires the use of 4 custom tabs, 3 custom objects, and 1 custom app. If the company is already using 4 applications, 36 custom objects, and 7 custom tabs, what will happen when they try to install expense tracker? A. They will not be able to complete the installation process as they have reached the maximum number of custom tabs. B. They will not be able to complete the installation process as they have reached the maximum number of custom objects. C. The installation will succeed. D. The installation will succeed, but only the reports, dashboards, and S control will install. The answer is A. They will not be able to complete the installation process as they have reached the maximum number of custom tabs. Number 88. You can customize the opportunity stage history-related list on an opportunity page layout. A. True. B. False. The answer is B. False. Number 89. You can report on converted leads. A. True. B. False. The answer is A, true. Number 90. You can use standard reports when creating dashboards. A, true. B, false. The answer is B, false. Number 91. You can use standard reports when creating dashboards. A, true. B, false. The answer is B, false. Number 92. You must be a user of Salesforce.com in order to receive an email notification in the case escalation process. A, true. B, false. The answer is B, false. Number 93. Your customer is using Professional Edition. They want the ability to trigger an email every time an opportunity reaches 90% and the amount of the opportunity is $1 million. What is the best way to accomplish this? A, big deal alert. B, workflow rule. C, escalation rule entry. D, assignment rule entry. The answer is A, big deal alert. Number 94. Your organization is a US-based company with a default currency of US dollars. As a sales rep, your personal currency is set to British pounds. You create an opportunity with a currency in British pounds. The administrator updates the currency conversion rates. Which of the following best describes what happens to the amount of your British pound-based opportunity? A, the overall opportunity amount does not change, but the converted amount in a report does. B, the overall opportunity amount and converted amount in a report changes. C, only newly created opportunities reflect the change. D, only historically created opportunities reflect the change. The answer is A, the overall opportunity amount does not change, but the converted amount in a report does. Number 95. APIs are not available for use in which Salesforce.com edition? A, Developer Edition. B, Professional Edition. C, Enterprise Edition. D, Unlimited Edition. The answer is B, Professional Edition. Number 96. Which workflow evaluation criteria cannot be used for time-dependent workflows? A, when a record is created, or when a record is edited and did not previously meet the rule criteria. B, only when a record is created. C, every time a record is created or edited. D, all three criteria can be used. The answer is C, every time a record is created or edited. 97. Which feature is not available in Salesforce.com? A, profile-based login hours. B, profile-based login IP ranges. C, organization-based login hours. D, organization-based login IP ranges. The answer is C, organization-based login hours. Number 98. Which of the following is the best way to make the field mandatory for everyone? A, page layout. B, validation rule. C, roles and profiles. D, field level security. The answer is B, validation rule. Number 99. Which of the following is not a standard Salesforce.com application? A, service. B, sales. C, call center. D, community. E, marketing. The answer is A, services. 100. Which of the field types cannot be used as an external ID? A, text field. B, number field. C, pick list field. D, email ID field. The answer is C, pick list field. So guys, these are the most frequently asked questions of the Salesforce Admin Exam. If you like this video, give thumbs up and show your support in the comments section below. See you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.